health is a conscious choice, and healthy back calls for a firm surface at the end of a hectic day. KOZYNAP'S Nature Pro provides that desired firmness and resilience, which is great for a healthy back. Base layer is made with a high-density rebonded foam. This supports the weight of the person sleeping on the mattress. Top layer consists of 2 inches of pure natural latex of highest density of 90. This ensures user experiences natural resilience of latex with a firm bounce back from the mattress. The mattress feels firm and you would be sleeping on top of it. Pin core technology ensures smooth air circulation, ensuring it does not heat up from the body heat. KOZYNAP'S Nature Pro would feel a little hard for people who are on the lighter side. It's a great product with firm support for medium to heavy built individuals.